In this video, I will show you how to chat with Meta AI in DMs in your thread. So for that, first of all, ensure that your Threads app is fully updated. Open Play Store and in the search bar search for Threads. From here, check if there is any update available. If there is, then simply update your app. If your app is fully up to date, open Threads. From your home screen, you can see this menu bar at the bottom of the screen. Simply click on Messages or DMs. Now you can find Meta AI directly in the chat list or you can search for it. If you simply click on the search bar, Meta AI will be suggested at first, or you can simply type out meta.ai. Then simply click on it. From here, you can deep dive on any subjects. You can ask it to proofread your text, or you can simply send any pictures and then ask it what it is, or you can directly send some threads, post, or web link or videos, and that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.